Hover effects are a great way to make your wireframes more intuitive. In this video, you'll learn how to implement mouse hover in, which activates an action when the cursor moves over a component, and mouse hover out, which triggers an action when the cursor moves away. We will add a tooltip component from the ready-to-use elements in the MockFlow editor and enter the necessary details. Hide the tooltip by using the layers feature so that the component remains concealed. Use Manage Interactions to add actions by selecting mouse hover in and mouse hover out. Assign the respective actions and confirm. In this case, we're setting the tooltip to appear when the mouse hovers over the element and hide when the mouse moves away. Switch to View mode to see the interaction in action as you hover in and out. Make your wireframes more interactive with MockFlow's powerful interaction features. Follow us for more quick and easy tips.